like. Excuse me. Wait, I'm changing this. Excuse me.
Stop, wolf! Get your little stinky little.
Come get your dogs, please.
Come get your.
She'll see me tomorrow. Ooh.
Layla.
You okay?
Am I okay? I'm fine.
It's only 2 magnets.
I can drive.
Now I want to see how.
Oh. Oh, that one kind of hurt, man. I mean, it's like it's kind of just like making like this little like weird like you're swallowing and just like you guys are like holding it in. I just like literally opened up my mouth and just. Dude.
Can we eat it?
Oh.
Are you gonna play with
Excuse me. You're a panzona.
No tengo nada.
That was a baby. Here comes another one. Ow, that one hurt.
If I can't.
No.
I feel it coming up.
No, I feel like coming out.
Damn. That one came.
Pizza.
What the? Mom, look, did I put my hair like that? Mom. Why did I put my hair?
Oh.
It's not gonna work for me. Too much pizza.
Here it goes. Why did I taste and smell that burp? That's not cute. Hold on.
Bye.